Mastering Directions in English, an essential guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, using directions and descriptions. Have you ever wondered how to accurately describe the location of a place or an object? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use cardinal and intermediate directions effectively in your conversations. Firstly, let's understand what cardinal and intermediate directions are. Cardinal directions are the four main points of a compass: north, south, east, and west. On the other hand, intermediate directions, also known as intercardinal or ordinal directions, are the points that fall between the cardinal directions. These are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Now that we know what these directions are, let's see how to use them in our descriptions. 1. Describing places. Imagine you're describing the location of a city. For example, if you're talking about the city of Los Angeles, you might say, Los Angeles is located in the southwest part of the United States. 2. Describing the position of objects. Let's say you are guiding someone to a bookstore in a mall. You could say, the bookstore is north of the food court. Remember, it's all about picturing a compass in your mind and using these directions to relate the position of one place or thing with another. The key to mastering the use of directions in English descriptions is practice. Try to incorporate these cardinal and intermediate directions into your daily conversations. For example, while giving directions to a friend, you can say, "My house is northeast of the city park." Also, reading maps and understanding the locations of different countries, cities, or places in relation to each other will significantly boost your understanding of directions. And there you have it. Now you know how to use cardinal and intermediate directions in your English descriptions. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve every day. Until next time, happy learning!